Hi, this is JCR. Today we are going to see how to soften the skin using some Gaussian blur and some other blend modes and so on. Let's get started. Yes, we are in the magical world of Photoshop. If you want to follow this tutorial, just download this image given link in the description. First, make a background copy by dragging it down. Yes. Then invert this by clicking Ctrl I or Command I. Then choose this blend mode from normal to vivid light, and then choose filter, other, high pass. Here select the radius where you can see the sharp pixels or the sharp edges, and then hit OK, and then click filter, blur, Gaussian blur. Then choose the radius from 2 to 4 or 5. I think this is okay for me, and then hit OK, and then create a negative mask by clicking Alt option and then the mask button, and then take a brush, make foreground color is white, and then just start painting on the skin, not on the sharp objects. You just want to paint on the skin only. See, you can see the skin is getting soft, and let me fast forward it. Yes, here's the before, here's the after. Lots of difference, no? And then we can just simply color correct by go to this color lookup icon and then a pop-up dialog box. Then load the LUT file, inbuilt LUT file given by the Photoshop. Just choose perfectly. I think this will be suitable for it. It looks very great. 80 will be suitable for it, and then just that's it, guys. That's all about this video. Here's the before, here's the after. Hope you enjoy it. Like it, share it, and try this at home. If you have any doubts, just put in the comments, and then click on the bell icon for future notification. And as always, stay creative.